Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create the monstrosity effect. Now let me show you what this monstrosity effect looks like. It looks like a great monster appears or rises from behind the main subject. So all you have to do is to go to higgsfield.ai, click on the visual effect after signing in, then scroll and choose the monstrosity effect area. You'll be brought to a page like this where you can see various sample videos created using this particular effect. You can now click on generate. You can actually click on any of them to create that exact type of video, but if you do not want to do that and you want to create your own, or you have a monster in your mind that you're picturing, you can describe the scene in this area here. You can choose your model here from the list of models available for you to choose. If you want audio, you can use the Google View 3, but obviously it's for premium. But if you're looking for the free versions, you can use this Higgsfield light. You can use the Minimax LO02 fast, and then you can use 2.2. All of these give you very great free options. And then you can also click on, once you're done, you can change the resolution and duration, then click on generate. After a few minutes, your video will be ready for download there. As you can see, these are other ones I've worked on. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Do have a great day, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel as we are actively trying to grow guys. Thank you and do have a great day.